This video we are solving lead code 3741 problem, minimum distance between three equal elements. Our task is find three indices I, j, k such that all three indices value are equal, and also the distance is calculated as absolute of I minus j plus j minus k plus absolute of k minus I over all these types of pair. Find the minimum distance. If there is not any three indices whose values are equal, then we will return minus 1. Let's take an example. Nums of nums equal to 1, 2, 1, 1, 3. Then triplet are 1, this one, and this one, and this one. So the indices are 0, 2, and 3. So these are I, j, and k. So we are doing I minus j and j minus k and k minus I. So our answer will be 6. So we have to return 6. The brute force idea is simple. Try all triplet and check if values are equal and compute the distance. Like if you are iterating for I is equal to I from 1 0 to n, with j from like I plus 1 to n, so on, like for k from j plus 1 to n. So check and compute the distance and take the minimum of all distances. So for this, the time complexity is big of n cube. So for this problem, you will get TLE. So we have to optimize this solution. How we can reach from brute force to optimal solution in the interview? First, we need to think what are the part where we are doing unnecessary computation. The part is like we are calculating the distance, which is I minus j plus j minus k plus k minus I. Here you think we have not any idea how the absolute like function will open. But if we know any relation between I, j, k, so if we know I is less than j, j is less than k, then the equation will reduces to like this equation will reduce to I minus j to j minus I, because this absolute function will open with minus 1 because I is less than j. So it will become I minus j. If you open this, then it will become j minus I. Similarly, it will open with minus 1, it will convert it into k minus j, same as this total value will be positive, so it will open with positive, so it will become k minus I. So if you solve this, then this what are the part will cancel out, this part will cancel out, then you will get 2k minus 2j 2I. So if you take 2, then it's simple as 2 times of k minus I. That means the distance is simple as 2 times the third and first, third minus first. So now the problem reduces to you need to find the third index and the first index. You just need to take this difference and multiply it by 2. So how we can know like these are the three indexes whose values are equal, these are the three indices whose value are equal and they are sorted. So so the idea is simple. If you sort the array, then value will become like all the equal value will be together. Like if you sort this array, then it will convert it into 1 2 1 1 2 2. So all equal value will be together and all unequal value will be on the other side. And also the we can sort this on the basis of index. So if you sort this array, it will convert it into 1 1 2 2 2. So here the indexes are also sorted and the value are also sorted. So then you can easily find what are the distance. So we will store the value and index. We will sort by the value. After that we will sort by the index. First value, then after we will sort by index and find the three consecutive equal value. We are just checking like is these three value are equal. Suppose we have the array 1 1 2 2 3 3 3. So we just checking if all the three value are equal, then this can be the minimum distance. So every three value we will check, and we will take at the end we will take the minimum of all these cases. So the code is very simple. We will push all the value comma index in the new array. After that we will sort this array and we will iterate from I is equal to 2 because at least 3 we will need 3 value. So we will start with 2 because then it will contain the 3 at least 3 value. Then we will check if they satisfy the condition. Condition means if nums like if array of I equal to array of I minus 1 and array of I minus 2, then it's satisfying the condition. Then we will take the distance is equal to 2 times array of I dot second, which means the third value and first value. At the end we will take the minimum of all these. This is the optimized solution, but we can further optimize it. Like for this the time complexity is n log n. Like we are sorting the array, so the time complexity is n log n. We can further optimize the solution using the map, unordered map. If we can store all the value as a as like the key is the value and the like key will be the actual value, and how many times, like what are the indexes where this value is present. So the time complexity for the the time complexity for this solution is n log n. We can further optimize it using the unordered map. We store indices for each value as a value comma indices, all the indices where it is present. After that we will iterate throughout the value, and then we will check for each, like if you iterate on the value, then you will get a vector of different indices. Then for all those indices we will take the minimum of all the distances. Suppose for the one value it is present at index 3 5 and 11 and 13. So we will take the distance of these three, and similarly we will, if 2 is also present, then we will take the where it is present, what are the indices where it is present. So we will take the minimum of all the distances. So this will be the big of n solution.